I am Mike Fessing. I am an associate professor at the Center for Skin Sciences here in Bradford. Our team at the Center for Skin Sciences, in collaboration with labs in Boston and Shanghai, showed the role of specific gene regulators called theta enzymes in control of hair shape and hair growth. Hair abnormalities are common in humans, and to treat them better, we need to advance our understanding how hair growth is controlled on molecular and cellular level. And we focus on keratin genes, which are many types of, and keratins are the major part of hair shaft. We strive to understand how DNA-binding proteins interact with gene DNA to control gene activity. We show that theta enzymes, which oxidize small groups in DNA which normally prevent gene activation, control hair shape and hair growth. We show that when these enzymes not working, hair shape is altered, hair is short, which eventually leads to hair loss. We further uncover the molecular details how it happens. We believe that this discovery will help us to better treat certain types of hair growth abnormalities.